Your Next.js app feels smooth until something changes. There is no animation and no flow, just a boring change. But there is one easy fix for that. Today we're unlocking viewtransitions API, a brand new feature that makes state changes and page transitions buttery smooth, natively without extra libraries. The best part? It's ridiculously easy to use. But before that, a quick disclaimer. So the native implementation of viewtransitions API in Next.js is still experimental, so I don't recommend using it on production, but to be honest, I will use it. Oh yeah, and Firefox users, not your lucky day. It's not yet implemented in your browser. All right, let's make your UI feel next level. First, we must install the latest version of Next.js and React into our project. Then head to the Next.js config file and enable the experimental viewtransitions flag to make it work. Now, before you start creating smooth, eye-catching animations, here's one key rule. Viewtransitions only work with asynchronous updates. This means synchronous state updates won't trigger animations. The only scenarios where it will work are using start transition or use deferred value functions, navigation between pages, or revealing content inside suspense component. So if you're trying to animate a component without using an async update, the transition simply won't happen. Let's start with a simple example, switching between two components. Right now, when you click a button, the change is instant and it looks rigid and unnatural. We can fix that by importing the viewtransition component from React and then wrapping the condition with it. Next, wrap the toggle component function with the start transition function, and you are done. Viewtransition component comes with onUpdate callback, which can be used to modify the enter and exit animations, both of the old and new state in the transition. So with that, we can customize our animations to make them feel just right. Now, let's talk about something even cooler. Moving elements between pages. It is also possible with the viewtransitions API, and here's how you can do it. Let's say we have a Versa logo on one page and we want it to seamlessly transition into a new position on another page. Again, we need to import the viewtransition component from React and wrap it around the image component. But now we also need to specify the name of our transition so the browser knows what to animate from one state to another. Now, in the next page, also wrap the image component with viewtransitions and give it the same name as previously, and you are good to go. The transition is working as expected. And that's it. With just a few simple tweaks, you can transform your Next.js apps from stiff and robotic to smooth and visually stunning. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more Next.js and React tips. Got cool transition ideas? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to see what you come up with. See you in the next one.